Yes, ma'am.
Sure? No problem in that chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are going to switch on to the next chapter. Should wizard hit mommy? Okay, this is the next chapter, and before doing the explanation from the chapter, I'll just tell you the summary of it. Clear? Should I begin?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now this is the story, you know, it is all about a little child whose view is different from her parents, and every Saturday she's been told a story every by her father, and finally she raises many difficult questions, okay, during the story session. So now it has become a daily routine, okay, uh, that Jack is the father, you know, and he has been following this daily routine of telling the story to his daughter. Now, this tradition of telling the story, it began when his daughter, she was 2 years old. Okay, and now already she is 4 years old, means already 2 years more had passed, and Jack had been telling his daughter the story. So now she's 4 years old. Tradition was that Jack would tell Joe a story. You know, he used to make the story on his own and he used to tell him. Okay, and he narrated the story in the evening before going to bed. And on Saturdays, you know, the story was narrated to the daughter in the afternoon. And then especially on the Saturdays, this little girl Jo, you know, she did not sleep during the story sessions. Okay, and whenever Jack told her the story, the basic plot, you know, of the story, it was same bitter. Okay, the story used to revolve around uh, sorry, around an animal and whose name was Roger, and the same character was there. He was an animal, and every day only Jack used to change it. Okay, like sometimes he narrated the story of Roger Squirrel, sometimes he narrated the story of some other animal, but with the same name and with the same plot. Okay, so the story it all revolved around Roger, and Roger used to have a problem, and some of the other problem was there with Roger Squirrel, Roger Chipmunk, and all. So Roger used to go to in every story. Okay, what I said, it has the same plot. Okay, so the Roger, this character, you know, when he had the same problem, he used to go to a wise old owl, and there he used to go for help, and then wise old owl would advise him to go to a wizard. Okay, now this wizard किसको कहते हैं जादूगर को. Okay बेटा, so this wizard, it used to solve the Roger's problem, but it asked for pennies. Okay, and Roger did not have so much of so many pennies as were asked by the wizard. So the creature or the animal, you know, when he has less pennies and he's not able to pay the wizard, he starts crying. But anyhow, wizards help him and tells him the solution to go and fetch the remaining pennies from a specific place. समझ में आ रहा है? एक ही होता है इसका, रॉजर होता है तो उसको एक एनिमल, हमेशा रोज एक एनिमल चेंज हो जाता है ना. कभी रॉजर स्कंक, कभी रॉजर चिपमंक, कभी रॉजर स्क्विरल. इस तरह से कहानी जैक अपनी डॉटर को सुनाता है. गेटिंग इट बेटा?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ओके. और सेम प्लॉट होता है, उसको प्रॉब्लम होती है, वाइज ओल्ड आउल के पास जाता है, कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम वो क्रिएट कर देता है. तो वाइज ओल्ड आउल के पास जाता है, ओल्ड आउल एडवाइस करता है टू गो टू द विजार्ड, विजार्ड सॉल्व कर देता है, लेकिन उस रॉजर कैरेक्टर के पास इतनी पेनीज नहीं होती उसको देने के लिए, तो उसका सॉल्यूशन भी विजार्ड बता देता है, टू गो टू अ specific place and to find out the pennies, to get the pennies. Okay, and then he would go back happily and play with his friends. And then Jack described करता है कि what they all had. Then till evening, until his father returned, Roger used to play, and when his father returned, they all had dinner. Means he, his father and mother, everybody, the whole family, they had dinner. And then Jack also describes what they had for the dinner. Okay, but now what happens on this specific Saturday when he's narrating the story? तो पहले तो जैक उससे डॉटर से पूछता है भाई कि आज कौन से क्रीचर की स्टोरी यू वुड लाइक टू हियर, तो वो बोलती है आई वुड लाइक टू हियर अ स्टोरी ऑफ skunk. Okay, skunk is an animal that is found in America, and this animal, beta, it smells very bad. Okay, the body smell is very bad. So Jack, he starts with the story of Roger Skunk, and he was a very stinky animal, and so whenever he went to play with the children, they just ran away here and there. Why? Because he smelled very bad. Okay, so he starts crying and he goes to the wise old owl to get his suggestion. The wise old owl helps him and asks him to go to wizard. Okay, uh, this little skunk, he goes to the wizard and shared his problem. Then the wizard, it helped him to solve his problem. And wizard also asked him ki how you wanted to smell. So he says that he wanted to smell like roses. ओके, विजार्ड उससे पूछता है भाई किसकी स्मेल चाहिए, तो कहता है मुझे रोजेस की स्मेल चाहिए. तो विजार्ड अपना मैजिक करता है एंड ही स्टार्ट्स स्मेलिंग लाइक रोजेस, एंड व्हेन ही रिटर्न्स ऑल द baby animals are very happy. Why? Because he was not stinking anymore, and they all start playing with him. Okay, and likewise, even he did not have pennies. He had less pennies. Okay, the wizards asked him to give him pennies, but he had less than he was being asked by the wizards. So wizards tell him the specific place to go there, okay, and to get the pennies, and he does so. And when he returns, everybody is happy. All the baby animals. Earlier they used to run away from him. Now they ran to him. Okay, and they started playing with him because he was smelling very good. He was smelling of roses, and when he could listen to the whistling of the train. Okay, why? Because father, he returns from Boston से लौट कर आते हैं, तो he just returns home और अपनी mother और father के साथ सपड़ लेता है. तो mother, she finds a very awful smell in the house, तो पूछती हैं. तो वो कहता है कि I went to the wizard and I changed my body smell, this and that, but mom, she does not like it. Okay, so she takes him back right to the wizard. माँ को नहीं पसंद आता है कि उसकी ओरिजिनल स्मेल खत्म हो गई और वो रोजेस की स्मेल आ रही है. माँ को ही बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आता है. She took him to the wizard, है ना, और जैसे ही विजार्ड डोर खोलता है, ठीक है, अपने अम्ब्रेला से उसके सिर पर she gives one blow, one hit, और विजार्ड जो है बेचारा वो वापस से स्मेल चेंज कर देता है, and he started smelling bad, started smelling foul once again, है ना, जैसी गंदी स्मेल इनमें स्कंक्स में होती है वो स्मेल होती है. तो वापस लौटते हैं, फादर आ जाते हैं. दे ऑल हैड देयर इवनिंग सपर, और जब वो सोता है तो माँ उसको बहुत प्यार करती है. व्हाई? बिकॉज नाउ ही वाज स्मेलिंग लाइक अ रियल स्कंक. ओके, अब स्टोरी बेटा यहाँ एंड हो जाती, ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am.
Now what happens, जो daughter है ना, she did not like the ending of the story, okay, and she wanted कि जो father है next day, okay, should tell her another story जो रॉजर स्कंक की हो, और उसमें फादर ये बताएं कि विजार्ड, यू नो, when mother hits mommy the wizard it does not do anything, लेकिन वो चाहते हैं, वो डॉटर चाहती है कि ऐसी स्टोरी नरेट करें in which the wizard hits mommy back, okay, and he refuses to change the smell of skunk. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि whatever mother has done, she has done wrong. Why? Because the boy, you know, he was having a very good smell of roses, right? तो उसको ये पसंद नहीं आता है कि wizard did something good. He had solved baby skunk's problem, but still he was being hit by mom with the umbrella. तो कहती है, फादर को प्रेशराइज करती है कि नहीं, यू आर गोइंग टू टेल मी द स्टोरी जिसमें विजार्ड, यू नो, ही विल हिट मॉमी इन रिटर्न एंड ही विल रिफ्यूज टू चेंज द स्मेल, ओके। लेकिन फादर बताते हैं कि देयर इज नो सच स्टोरी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ओके। और the skunk, you know, he loved his mommy a lot, and उसको मालूम था कि whatever mommy was doing, she was right, you know, she was doing right for him. और उसके बाद फिर उसको जबरदस्ती बेबी को सुलाते हैं, and he closes the door and he goes down. और नीचे जाते हैं, जो wife, you know, she was expecting, they were expecting the third child, though she was busy doing, she was painting the room, and Clary, his wife, asked him that it was a long story, and he replied yes. और जो father होता है ना बेटा, finally what happens कि father, you know, he becomes somewhat upset हो जाते हैं, है ना। क्यों? क्योंकि उनको नहीं पसंद कि डॉटर जो है वो पीछे पड़ी हुई है, जिसमें मम्मी को ओवर रूल करा जा रहा है, निग्लेक्ट करा जा रहा है पेरेंट्स को, कि डॉटर का ये मानना है कि वॉट एवर पेरेंट्स डू दे आर ऑलवेज नॉट करेक्ट, और पेरेंट्स को ये लगता है कि वॉट एवर दे डू फॉर द चाइल्ड और फॉर द चिल्ड्रन दे आर ऑलवेज राइट, ओके। तो वो कई ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पुट अप करती है जिससे जो जैक है वो काफी डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है। गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एवरीबॉडी गॉट? एवरीवन बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, you
Yes,
know the
ma'am.
chapters that are
Ma'am.
deleted in this book? Chapters that are deleted मालूम है ना आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, second and third.
See, second one, Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, and the last one also, Memories of Childhood. The last one also, even it has been deleted by CBSE. Let me check it. I'll check it once again and let you know. Yes, beta. See, this is of 11th and this is of 12th. 12th में, yes, the Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, and Memories of Childhood. You can cut it right now as you are having the book. Book है ना आपके पास?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ, तो उसको कट कर लीजिए। और फ्लेमिंगो में 3 of the chapters, Poets and Pancakes, Interview and Going Places. Okay. And even note making, it has been deleted. समझ में आया बेटा? There is
Yes,
no note making.
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So 30% of the course it has been deleted by CBSE ना, तो उसमें note making नहीं है. Writing skills में poster making has been deleted. बाकी तो ads, notice, okay,
Ma'am,
and
speech and debate.
invitation. Yes, Sumit, what happened?
Ma'am, speech and debate are also deleted now.
हाँ, speech and debate. They are also deleted, and business or official letters, you know, even they are deleted. Inquiry letters, complaint letters, asking for and giving in orders. Okay, orders जो issue होते हैं वो replies, ये सारे letters delete. Okay. तो ध्यान रखना, अब कोई इतना
Yes,
ज्यादा
ma'am.
कोर्स नहीं है. First we'll finish up with the chapters and then we'll do the writing skills. बाकी सब तो है. Report writing is there, article writing is there, factual description is there. Okay, ये सब चीजें तो हैं बेटा. Unseen passages are there. Note making is not there, but unseen passages are there. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So tomorrow we will begin with the chapter. Okay, explanation I mean. Any other problem if you people are having? और कोई problem है तो you can share it right now. Yes, beta. Sumit,
Ma'am, no problem.
ऐश्वर्य, महक, परीक्षित, शशिन,
No,
अरिहर,
ma'am, not yet.
No, ma'am.
हर्षिता.
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
चलो ठीक, कल शुरू करेंगे अपन, है ना, चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन. ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
बाय बेटा, टेक
Ma'am.
केयर एवरीबॉडी.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
थैंक यू.